We have less than 30 days until my family arrives from Wisconsin to stay at our brand new house. We moved into the bedroom while we finished the rest of the house. Not only do we have to paint the house, but we also have to find, purchase, and build our kitchen. Let's do a quick recap of how far we've come. I received a message back from a seller with an item we wanted for our kitchen, so we decided to stop what we were doing and go and pick it up. Great driving skills there, Ross. Yeah, I ran over a bike, and it took me a while to realize what I did. Me and Boothang out here at a beautiful restaurant. Psych, I lied! It's a booth in a house! I grew up always wanting a restaurant-style booth, so this to me was very special. It's been a little extra windy in our area, but we aren't gonna let that discourage us from getting done what we have to get done. I know some of you watching this are thinking, oh, that looks really bad over there. They're not doing that right. And you might be right. I mean, we don't ever paint houses, but I can tell you, be patient and just wait till you see the final product. Alright, this wall is gonna take a little bit of time, so let's cue some music.
This is why I love my house.
Now use X. There you go. There you go. Okay. Now use A and B to move up. There you go. Hey, now use X and Y. You can use X, and like aim it up. There you go.
Oh shit.
Damn.
That's really bad.
We found this free Gold's Gym online. All we had to do was pick it up and get it in the house safely. All hooked up. It's working. Give it a test run. It's kitchen design time, and we're doing it ourselves, because that's what we do. And so here's what we have in mind, and we were able to find all of the cabinets at Lowe's. So we picked them up, and it was time to install. But that's when I threw out my back. Again. Here it comes. In 3, 2, 1. Yeah. That trash bin was completely full, and I lifted it very improperly. And now you can see me hobbling away in excruciating pain. I went to my chiropractor, started doing adjustments, but we definitely needed some help on the cabinets, so luckily we had Bianca's dad. And just like that, we got the cabinets up. The same day that my family arrived, we had our countertop installed. And guess what? We pulled it off. We got our house ready, and my family would be arriving any minute. The house was done. We still have a lot more ideas and plans to do to the house, but right now we're gonna put everything to the side and we're gonna enjoy some good old-fashioned family time.
Thank you. There's a dead body.
had an amazing time making lifelong memories with the family. And for the first time, our little house felt like a home.